Go. All right, so today we're gonna show a little unboxing of a what kind of camera is this?
It's a VAVA Dashcam.
VAVA.
VAVA.
Can you spell that backwards?
AVAV, I guess.
Yeah. So yeah, Dashcam. This is on sale, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. I think after a discount, it was like $96, something like that. What's going on here? Oh, quick instruction guide, user guide. This is a pretty fancy case.
Well, that's real nice.
I think this is gonna be the meat and potatoes right here. It's too fancy. I can't handle it.
So yeah, we'll have to see what the options are on this thing, because
That's supposed to be a tool to help you install it.
oh, there's a shoehorn.
Shoehorn. Yeah. This is the actual mount for it. I guess the nice thing about it, this part mounts to your windshield, and then it's just a magnet. So you put the camera on it. Of course, most times it's going to be facing out your windshield, but you can actually take it and spin it, 360 degrees. So if you want to record something inside the car, you can. You can do that on the fly.
That's pretty nice. I haven't seen one like that before.
Nice long charging cable. And then it looks like probably a USB cigarette adapter. Okay, so this is going to be the actual camera. Nice little hockey puck looking thing here. Messed it up on the first try. Yeah, you see what I was talking about, where you can just spin it around.
How's it stuck on there? Is it threaded or is it?
It's just a magnet.
Oh, magnet. Okay.
Pretty strong. I was reading reviews on it. One person was asking the company whether or not that magnet would hold up in an accident. And I can't imagine the force it would take to remove that just from something like that. So. This feels like an empty box. Nope. Just not some kind of hardware to attach everything. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, so what this they call a snapshot button, and you just put it somewhere inside the vehicle. And if you want to take a picture, you push it once, and it'll save it, and it won't override it. And if you hold it down for, I don't know how long, I'll have to look at the instructions. So if you hold it down, it takes a 20-second video clip, and then it locks it so it doesn't override it. So I guess normally it films in, like they said, 3-minute loops, and then as it runs out of memory, it overrides those loops. So, yeah, pretty nifty.
So you don't know for sure if this thing's got GPS or any of that stuff on it, or?
No, I didn't really look into that whenever I was buying it.
I just wonder if it would show speed and.
I know one way to find out.
We can go speeding.
So we'll go test it out in a little bit. Yeah, looks like it's going to be pretty simple to install. Just plug it in there, run the cord to a cigarette lighter. One thing to keep in mind is it has to be ran to a cigarette lighter that isn't on all the time. It should only be on with the key, because otherwise this camera's just going to run. Then it's going to run your car battery down. So it does have a battery backup in here, so if your car is shut off and it senses a shock, like if somebody backs into your car while it's parked, it'll start recording, so you can catch a license plate or maybe catch the person's face if you're lucky. So, in there.
Oh yeah.
So I think it's probably best to mount it where it just films below the tent strip the entire time. So.
Okay, so you're gonna put it, suction cup the thing either above or below the tent.
I think it's probably going to work best in the water. How's that look from the outside?
It's
You can't really tell.
no, can't.
Super obvious.
Well,
So if you want to get a shot inside here, it doesn't really interfere with the inside of the vehicle any. There's no cables there yet.
so you said it's got an app.
Yeah, there's supposed to be an app so that this will actually stream to your phone live.
Okay.
I'll have to get on.
So it's like the GoPro thing where you got to kind of look at it through your cell phone.
Yeah, I believe it's going to be the exact same thing.
So you've downloaded the app.
Mm-hmm.
Now you're just putting in a memory card.
It's a micro SD card, 64 gigabyte. No, it doesn't go on my phone.
It didn't come with one, did it?
No, I had to buy it separately.
What's the deal with the holes on the sides? Is that... Oh, I'm assuming that's just for a speaker or maybe a microphone?
Yeah, it does have a microphone built in. Okay, so we got the app pulled up. I don't know if you can see it on there or not.
Yeah.
Kind of bright out here.
Yeah, you can see it.
So we'll hit connect Dashcam. It says connects the Dashcam's Wi-Fi first, which I had already done that, but apparently it's decided I haven't done it now. Not sure what's going on. Let's try. Oh, there we go. So it pops up in your Wi-Fi. And then it'll ask you for a password. Since I already entered it, it may not this time. Yeah, so it didn't this time. Alright, so we'll go back to VAVA Dash app. Okay, now that we've set up the Wi-Fi, so you hit connect Dashcam. Are you shitting me? Oh, okay. Okay, so apparently you have to go through this 4 times.
Thanks, VAVA.
Yeah.
Hey, my printer's on there.
Okay. Okay, Wi-Fi set. Try one more time. All right, connect Dashcam. There we go. Now it's showing you what's on the cam. So this way we can get it set up. I don't know why it says emergency recording up there. Probably because I am moving the camera around so it's sensing the shock. So anyway, we can set it up so you can tell what the camera's gonna be looking at. I wonder if we can. Nope. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so there we got full screen mode.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Okay, so it has stopped recording.
I guess how does it automatically turn on? It's just whenever you start driving?
Yeah, whenever you start the vehicle, it should automatically start recording. And then when you shut it off, I think it keeps recording for a couple seconds afterwards. And then when the vehicle is off, if it senses that the vehicle moves, then it automatically starts recording like a 20-second clip. So, yeah, it shows you today's date and time, which is actually right.
Oh, it does say kilometers per hour.
Yeah, I need to see if I can switch that to miles per hour. Oh no.
Well, it would look way cooler if it said you were doing 90 when actually you're doing 55.
Okay, so yeah, no good. So we got a Dashcam settings menu. So, okay, so here we go. Loop recording time. Right now it's set at 1 minute. I would say 3 minutes would be a smart thing to do. You can change the video resolution, which I'm going to leave it at 1080p. And then G sensor sensitivity. High, medium, low, or deactivated. I would think I should be... I'm going to try it on high for a while and see if that, doesn't fill up my, my memory. And then you got to turn parking mode on to detect impact. One thing I am going to do is turn off the sound because I don't want to record all my horrifying music that I listen to while I'm driving.
I would wonder if it would pick up engine noise.
Not in this thing.
Well, I mean, in a race car.
Yeah, sure.
As an alternative for a GoPro.
Yeah, they probably would. Yeah, like I said, that's one nice thing about it too. You can spin it around and record yourself while you're driving if you want to.
Why don't you go ahead and turn that on and then we'll know.
What's that?
The sound.
Okay. Yeah, we'll leave it on. And then you can turn off show driving speed. Off.
Oh, we gotta turn it. We gotta do it. We gotta turn it on for this review.
All right, we'll leave it on for now. Dash cam information. That just gives you your model, device storage, all that. Don't need any of that. Okay, so now that I've turned the parking mode on, let's test that out real quick. Let's turn the truck off.
It has a really wide angle.
Yeah.
Too, doesn't it? It really captures a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a slight delay in it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, it's recording right now?
I believe it is, yeah.
It's recording right now?
I believe it is, yeah.
What's your favorite color? Can you watch the recordings on your phone?
Yeah.
So we'll be able to know here in a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Do it.
There's a bird. That's our first interesting thing. Shut the app off and see if that makes a difference. This is a famous Trinity stretch. If you look off to the side, you'll see some Trans Am doors that were blown off by a Viper back in like 2002, 2003-ish.
Shoot.
I don't know who's that Trans Am belonged to. Adam, you know who that belonged to? It was green.
Some dummy. Yeah. Actually, if you pull up to the sign right there, go real slow. There's right there, start. Do you see it? Yeah, it's spray painted on the guardrail. It says start.
Where's start right now? Is it on this one?
Right here.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, just barely. Can't really read it.
I don't know why I would say start. There's definitely no illegal drag racing that's ever taken place up here on this stretch.
There's been nobody ever raced there. I think maybe it was for a marathon.
Ah, okay. Yeah,
A lot of 500Ks get run down here.
Okay.
So the only hard part of this that I see is just trying to figure out where to route the cable.
Yeah,
They give you enough to go wherever, but
I think I'm going to run it exactly like they recommend, which is go up here and then around and down underneath the dash, and then plug in somewhere over here. I got to figure out which one of these outlets only runs off the key.
I think it is. Oh.
I think that one might be powered all the time. I think that might have been part of the problem already.
I wish I knew some good jokes.
I know a good joke. You want to hear it?
Yeah.
These burnout marks that Boomer left last night.
Ooh.
Oh. One annoying Ford feature, if you want to pan down here, Adam. It's got this nifty cover, spring-loaded cover over the USB ports and all that. You notice there's no divots or anything, so the cord can flow through there.
Oh.
However, here where there's nothing to plug into, you got two little divots there, and they're also up here. The only thing that's in there is there's
a power outlet right there.
There's a power outlet in there. But I mean, who uses a cigarette adapter anymore when you've got USB adapters these days? Nobody uses a cigarette adapter. So why would you have that there and not there?
Good going, Ford.
What the hell, Ford? Come on.
So you're trying to snapshot one right now?
Yeah, just the picture. So let's hit refresh on that. Ah, okay. So you have to sync it first. Alright, dash cam is turned on. Press and hold the snapshot button for 5 seconds.
So if you couldn't hear him, okay, you synced it. Yeah, you just hold the button in for 5 seconds to sync it up. Oh my gosh, it's already taking pictures.
I know it works. Okay, press again to restart and take a photo. Press once to take photos. Press and hold for 3 seconds to take videos. Yeah, it's taking one. Okay.
Is it? Oh, okay, all right. Yeah. Oh yeah, that button's handy. So you can just stick it somewhere and then you can...
Yeah, it came with a double-sided tape thing. I guess I'll probably just stick it under there. Much I hate to put tape on my dash, though. I might find another way to melt that thing.
Cool. So far, what do you think of it?
Just initial impressions. Pretty decent. I will say I wish it was a little easier, maybe a little easier to set up. It seems like, I mean, the fact that you have to connect your phone to its Wi-Fi every time you open the app, seems like that should be automatic. I mean, as far as quality goes, though, I mean, it's really good for $100.
Yeah.
I mean, no complaints there. But yeah, just initial setup. I probably wouldn't have been as complicated if I would have actually taken the time to read the instructions first. But who does that? Nobody does that.
No, I wouldn't do that either. That's silly.
So yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty happy with it. After a couple long trips with it, I'll really get to see, how good it is, how well it holds up, and all that.
Yeah.
I'm kind of interested to see how well it does over the summer, sitting right in your windshield with the sun blaring on it.
Oh yeah.
See if it holds up to the heat or not. I mean, there's a battery in there, so I think that would probably wear that battery out kind of quick. So, guess we'll see.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
Okay.
If any of you like this, or even if you didn't like it, go ahead and subscribe anyways.
Thank you.
And also, yeah, go to the Facebook page. It is
Divine Speed Team.
Yes.
At Divine Speed Team, I guess. We also have Instagram.
Yeah, that's the Instagram.
Well, they're both the same. We made them the same.
Oh, and what about the what's the one with the bird? Twitter.
We don't have a Twitter.
Oh, I thought we had Twitter.
No.
I've never been on it, so I don't know.
I'm anti-Twitter. I mean, that's just me now. The Instagram is up to 48 followers now, so that's
Holy
that's
moly.
something. I looked this morning. I will say we don't have nearly as many Facebook and Instagram followers as we have actual YouTube subscribers, which is kind of surprising to me. I would think it'd be the other way around. You'd have more Facebook followers than you would actual subscribers, because not a lot of people know that you can subscribe on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
I think a lot of people just think you go there and watch videos and that's it. But subscribing is what actually, causes success.
Yeah, well, a lot of people I've talked to about subscribing, they don't even have, you ask them, do you have a YouTube account? They're like, I don't know.
Exactly.
Yeah. So do you have a Gmail account? Yes. Well, you just sign into YouTube with your Gmail account.
Yeah, either that or I actually use my live account. I mean, you can use any email address to sign up for YouTube. It's free.
Yeah.
No reason not to do it.
Yeah, there's no reason not to subscribe to the Divine Speed Team. Look down at the bottom.
I guess this thing's just going to beep at us for all eternity.
Yeah. Look down the bottom right-hand corner of this video, and you'll see the little subscribe button.
This thing's still going.
Why is it doing that?
I don't know. You're going to have to leave this in the video, though. It's pretty entertaining. I don't know. I mean, it's not hooked to anything. There's no buttons to shut it off. So, yeah. Anyway.
What the heck, VAVA?
Yeah. You mean to tell me a $100 camera has some issues? It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. I can't work with this. I'm out.
It was all good until the very end. Now it's junk.
Oh, goodness.
Trying to get this thumbnail pick, and this is all we hear. Why, VAVA? Oh, yeah, we figured that's because of the vibration deal, where it's automatically kicking on.
Yeah, there's no memory card in there, right?
No memory card.
It's wanting to record, but it can't.
Okay. All right. Other than that, it's pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, pretty solid.